Hello, everybody, and have you guys been doing? And welcome back to our channel, Tech World, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we guys can fix your iPhone not installing apps. So if you're facing this problem, then basically when you're trying to install an app on your iPhone, it's not going to install them. Basically, the main reason behind this is a slow internet connection. And I'm going to be explaining to you guys what that is and how we guys can fix it. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, Tech World, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Now let's move on. Now to fix this issue. Basically, what you can do is go on App Store and try to download the app if you're trying to. So let's say the app you're trying to download takes like 1 or 2 hours to download. Now if it is like a 2 or a 1 GB folder or like a app, then I can understand it taking 1 hour. But if it is like 100 megabytes, app, and it takes you 1 hour or 2 hours to download, then it's probably your internet. And to make sure like your internet is not working, what you can do is go on your Safari browser and try to load up a website. So I'm trying to load up my website over here. And if it takes me around like 1 or 2 minutes just to load this website, because it's a simple website, then it's basically your internet connection, which is causing you this problem. Alright? And the other way to, fix this problem is to go to your network settings. What you can do is corner phone settings over here, and over here where it says Wi-Fi, click on it and make sure to change to a stable connection. If your Wi-Fi is slow, make sure to turn on your cellular data on, because the cellular data is moving faster than Wi-Fi. And even after switching, it doesn't work, then what you can do is restart your phone. By that I mean switch off your phone and turn on your phone again, and it should work. And by doing that, if it still doesn't work, then the thing could be like you're trying to download a third-party app. So if you're using your Safari browser, and you're trying to download a third-party app from your Safari browser, so let's say using your Safari browser to download apps, so let's say over here on Safari browser, you download a third-party app, which is not available for iPhone, then it's not going to work. Just like in Android, you cannot just download APK folders on your iPhone. Right, iPhone doesn't allow that. You can only download apps from your App Store and only limited apps from your browser. So you need to be really careful when you're trying to download apps from your Chrome browser or from like your Safari browser. It's not going to work. 90% of the time apps downloaded from other places rather than App Store is not going to work on your iPhone. So just keep that in mind. So if you're trying to download a third-party app, it's not going to work. So hope you understand how we guys can fix iPhone not installing apps. So just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye bye everybody.